Hello foodies, welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you a very simple lamb dish. This very delicious dish is called Lamb Mandi. So without much further ado, let's get started. Okay, let's start off with chopping our medium onion. Next, let's cut our 2 tomatoes. Next stop, we heat oil. And then we start sauteing chopped onions. Followed by the chopped tomatoes. We saute for about a minute or two. And now it's time to add in the lamb meat. I have here around 900 grams of lamb. We saute for about 3 to 5 minutes. And then we add in 4 cups of water. Then 2 pieces of dried lime. And then I added 3 pieces of beef cubes. And now we cover the pot and cook the meat for 45 minutes. And after 45 minutes, we add in 3 cups of basmati rice. Don't forget to wash the basmati rice, okay? Together with the rice, we add 1 cup of golden raisins and an additional 1 cup of water. And we cover the pot again and let us wait for around 10 minutes for the rice to cook and fully absorb the water. Our lamb mandi is cooked. Let us transfer our lamb mandi to a cute bowl for presentation. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please give this video a like, and also please subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you very much for watching. I will see you all on the next. Bye!